Hi, I'm Bonifacio Sumook. I am a graduate of massage therapy course in Aquinas College. And with the completing of the course, I've encountered lots of challenges. But because I am determined to finish this course, all of those challenges never meant to stop me. With this journey, I felt I'm inspired with what Aquinas College had done for us, for me, especially as a student, where sometimes they are working with our schedules, especially like me, who is a full-time employed, working nights. And that is one also of the many challenges that I've encountered, where I am going to travel from Itasquin 2.5 hours just to come here and fill out the hours that is needed. And aside from these challenges, the distance, I also encountered weather condition, worst weather conditions where there are road closures. And the beautiful thing with this journey is that aside from Aquinas College working with my schedules, Aquinas College never failed to send all the requirements, all the assignments that I need to work with and I need to work on. So they keep on reminding me all the things that are lacking in order for me to complete this course. And the positive thing that really one of those things that inspired me is I've met lots of students from different places in Alberta. I have a friend who is in Fort McMurray, traveling 8 hours from Fort McMurray to Calgary, just also to finish her course. I also had a classmate from Cochrane, from Grand Prairie, which is like 6 to 8 hours also travel. Also in Bonneville, which is also requires lots of traveling and driving. And this happens during winter, many winters, and all of these things we survived. We became victorious, and with that determination that I have, I can say nothing can stop a determined person in doing what he needs to do. So with this, I'm thankful with Aquinas College and my teachers and my classmate for helping me with all the things morally, physically, spiritually, so that I can finish this course. Thank you.